Hello, today I'll be making a small batch of hard candy using LorAnn Super Strength oils. If you're new to our channel and would like to see more recipes, please like, subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification button. I'm specifically highlighting LorAnn Oils because I tend to get the most compliments when I use their flavors. It's very important to set everything up in advance. On the stovetop, I keep a cup with warm or hot water to keep my brush in, and it'll be where I place my thermometer when I remove it. You'll need a brush or a tool to remove sugar crystals from your pot. We purchased these cute silicone bear molds, which we'll provide a link to in the description. However, if you don't have a mold, you can use a small, lightly oiled sheet pan for your candy. On medium heat, add your sugar, corn syrup, and water, and stir until it comes to a small boil. Periodically, you want to take your brush and remove the crystals that form around your pot. Now that your mixture is boiling, stop stirring but continue to brush the sugar crystals that form around your pot. Your candy will be ready when it reaches the hard crack line on your candy thermometer. As you get closer to 300, you want to make sure that your oil and food coloring, if you're using it, are ready, because once you reach hard crack stage, your candy mixture becomes time sensitive. Now that your mixture has reached hard crack stage, remove your thermometer, add your food coloring if you're using it, and your 1 dram of LorAnn oil, stirring continuously. Some oils, because they're super strength, have strong scents, so be sure to keep your oven or your stove fan on. After you remove your mixture from the heat, quickly but carefully, because it's very hot, transfer into your mold or onto a sheet pan. My husband isn't a professional videographer and I'm not a professional candy maker, so this shot is a little shaky and a little sloppy. However, this little tool I'm using is perfect to fix my mistake, so we'll be sure to add a link to this silicone spatula below. Whether using molds or a sheet pan, let your candy cool completely before removing. Once your candy is cooled, if you're using a sheet pan, gently break your candy into bite-sized pieces, and you can also sift powdered sugar over them. I personally prefer molds because they don't have as many sharp edges, and as you can see, even with arthritic hands, they easily pop out. Sometimes I accidentally half-fill some of the molds and we end up with a bowl full of accidents, which my husband is happy to dispose of. There are many recipes for hard candy. As you can see, I have a variation including rock candy, but for more candy ideas, we'll put a link to LorAnn's website in the description. This is a great homemade gift for any occasion or any season. Please share your candy ideas with me in the comments below, and maybe I'll make them in a future video. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications of new videos. And thank you for watching.